Podcast video like this are pulling millions of views and money on Facebook and TikTok.
Don't fall in love too fast. Take your time to study your partner. Check maybe their words matches their actions.
You can be creating this kind of podcast video and be making money on Facebook and even on TikTok. Now let me show you how to make this kind of podcast within 5 minutes. Everything is free. Free tools from image to video generation from the studio you'll be using. Come with me. Go to your browser and type Pinterest. Then click on the first link. You will be required to log in. You can use your email to log in. Then after logging in, then it will take you to this interface. Then click on this search icon so that you can be able to search for the studio you like. Then after clicking on the search icon, then search for podcast studio. Then these are different podcast studio. Then just scroll down. You can scroll down and look for the one you like. So I think I like this one. Then since I like this one, then just scroll down these 3 dots, then click on these 3 dots, then click on download image. Now the image has been downloaded to our phone. Now that we have the studio we want to use now from Pinterest, now we are going to ChatGPT to extract the prompts that they use to create that studio in ChatGPT. Let's go. In ChatGPT, click on the plus sign to upload the picture of the podcast you downloaded from Pinterest. Now I've uploaded the picture I downloaded from Pinterest. After bringing in the image that we downloaded from Pinterest, then paste this prompt. Say that extract the exact prompt for this image. Now click on send. Now ChatGPT has given us the prompt that was used to generate that podcast image. All you need now is to copy it like this. Make sure you copy everything. All those prompts, everything that ChatGPT just give to us. Copy everything to the end like this. Then after copying it, now that we have extracted the prompts they used in that studio, then we want to use that prompt, that studio for our own image. Let's go. Then click on these 2 dots here. Then click on chat. So it will open new chat on ChatGPT. Now paste the prompts. Now at the beginning of that prompt, edit it like this. Then write maintaining the exact person on this reference picture. Create a, the prompt we copied is now below that thing. Now click on the plus sign here to upload your own image. The image you want to use for the podcast. Your own image, your own image. This is my image. This is the image I want to use for my podcast now. Then I've uploaded it. Now you see now. Then click on create now. Then wait for ChatGPT to create your image inside that podcast studio you generated from Pinterest. All is set now. ChatGPT has generated our image, which is your own picture in this studio background. Now look at it now, it's very beautiful. Then click on this arrow down below, then to save it on your phone. Now the next thing now is to bring our image podcast to life. We want to make art talk. Now this is the podcast video now. Let me teach you how to do this now. Very interesting. Go to your browser and type Google Gemini. Then scroll down. You will see this particular one. Then click on it. Click on the plus sign. Then click on video. Now it says describe your video. But we are making a podcast video. So we are using that image, that your podcast image that you generated. Then click this one that look like camera. Then it will take you to your phone gallery. Then click on photo. Now it has opened my phone gallery. Now this is a picture we downloaded, the picture we made for our podcast. Then click on it. Then add it, then it has already been added now. Then it says here that describe your video. Now this is where you will input what you want the image to say. This is where you will prompt it. Now this is the place where you will input what you want the podcast to say. Now as you can see on Facebook and even YouTube, you can see different podcasts. So in my own, I said in emotional voice, the woman says, don't fall in love too fast. Take your time to study your partner. Check maybe their words matches their action. So I said no music. Now you can click this below to select your aspect ratio. Maybe portraits for Facebook, landscape for YouTube. Since I will be using it for Facebook, then I click on portraits, I select portraits. Now everything is set now. Then click this blue arrow so that you can start it to generate your podcast. Now our podcast has started generating now. Our video is now ready now. Let us play it.
Don't fall in love too fast. Take your time to study your partner. Check maybe their words matches their actions.
Then click that arrow downward, this arrow downward to download it. Now it is downloading already now. This is CapCut. You can now add audio, maybe music, the music you have. I have one specific music I usually use. Now I will just click on audio, then extract. Now I have that music that I always use. Now I've added the music now. So I will just need to reduce the volume of the music so that it will not be too loud for the podcast. So let us play it now and see.